Welcome back. State-owned enterprises Minister Erick Thohir plans to buy cattle farms in Belgium. According to him, the plan is to reduce beef imports. However, it turns out that the plan received much pros and cons.
State-owned enterprises Minister Erick Thohir said that the government plans to buy cattle farm in the Belgium. Purchases will be made through state-owned company, and later on, the farm is targeted to be a supplier of beef demand in Indonesia. The reason is, Minister Erick is upset because Indonesia always imports beef every year. However, the plan receives much pro and cons. Indonesian Cattle and Buffalo Breeders Association Chairman Nanang Purus Subendro said that buying livestock in the Belgium does not reduce imports. This is because the cattle produced by SOE in Belgium that are sent to Indonesia will also be counted as imported cattle. In line with Nanang, farming observer Rohadi said that buying a cattle farm in Belgium would require a large budget. And according to him, these funds should be used to empower domestic livestock. From all sources, IDX Channel.